here at Burning Wheel. Nitro Inferno. What the hell? Who named this stupid game? Alright, put our $200 ticket in here and we're gonna bet.
Stairs.
Stairs? Okay, what do we start the stairs at?
150.
150. Alright, we're gonna listen to Chumba on this one.
Yeah, the press.
You just be quiet. Oh, let's go. Max bet. Yeah, that's what the delay is. I don't forget it. We're just gonna stick to 250. All right, hit the button a few times. Why you give me dirty looks for? This woman's mental. Hurry up, baby, come on. Oh, what's the matter with you? That's our first win. 25, a whole 25 cents. I'm glad you picked this game, Chumbo.
I picked that one.
Yeah, it doesn't work. He said, come on this side.
Yeah.
We haven't gotten our money back yet.
Gotta get the spin.
Let's go $5.
Okay.
Still no money back. It's gotta be something. Yeah, our first profit. Ah, all it took was like $40.
Get hot now. Do it. Do it. Oh.
Why did it do that?
Confuse you.
Yeah, he didn't do that to spin before. All right, money back there. All right. Absolutely nothing. I'm not feeling this game. Let's get out of here. All right, we're at Dragon Riches. Put that 149 ticket in here. Chumbo left with Elvia and Shane to go back to Cosmo. So me and Javier are here. This is 2 cent Dino. All right, let's do $3 to spend at 2 cent Dino. Volume's up, but there's no volume. We need 3 of those Dragon Balls for free games. Oh, we got all the wilds blocking us. I hate games with no sounds, because then you gotta hear all this crap in the background. Again, stupid wilds. Yeah. All the balls keep falling on the first few reels, but then nothing else. No, nothing. Alright, 2 cents not paying us nothing. We lost our profit. Let's go to nickel. Start at $1.25. See what we get. Go to 250 now. 2 Dragon Balls. We need 1 more. Alright. At least the wilds landed on the left now. 750. Get us back to even. Alright, let's go 375 nickel. Woo! Nice hit. 4 of a kind all over. That should be a good 100, right? We got crappy symbols in the front though. 9s and 10s. 2 worst symbols in the game. 64 bucks. Thought it'd be kind of more than that. All right, back to where we started. Nothing. I'm gonna get something on those damn last reel. Pretty empty. See? Back to 375. Come on, Dragon Balls. Give me 4. One more. Let's do a spin at 625. Woo! Bonus time. There we go. That's the lucky bet. 625. Let's see what we get. Hopefully something decent. All right. We got 6 games only. See, nothing shows up on that damn last reel. Fucking game. Alright, we got worthless queens. I'll hold them spin. There we go, that's nice. That's gotta be good, right? Do 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 do. How much do you think that is? About 250? 3? I told Chamba, I go, let's find this game. I want to play it. I like it for this reason. All right. Woo! 250 and climbing. Nice. Give me my money from the Rampart back. Fucking place. I can't believe that. What did we lose there? Like 300, 400 bucks at the Rampart? Something like that? Wow, 400 and climbing. $500? Yeah, $500 bonus. Do it! Give us some more. Yes, more. Ah. $520. Oh, again, we got blocked. Oh, shit. We got blocked, but we got the worst 2 symbols, too. Ah, that's bad. Let's see how much this one is. 100 bucks, maybe? Exactly, 100 bucks. Hey, $620. Nice. We started with 100. You see all the games we played with Chamba? We're cashing out 723 for a 623 profit. We got all our money back from the Rampart plus more. There we go. That's how we do it, baby. Javier just hit the bonus at Cleopatra. Finally found them. Betting $1?
Yeah, we need 3 of those, man.
How many more spins you got?
5 more.
5 more? I never played this game before, but I've seen it.
The multiplier goes
I know,
up,
I've seen it on YouTube, but I've never played it.
We need some queens, man. I already put 60 bucks in here, 80, something like that. Come on, baby, the Cleo. That's what found, the Cleo. Oh, come on, man. Give me 3.
Retrigger?
I need 3.
That's something, right?
Nah, not really. It's 208. 10 bucks.
That's 10 bucks? Yeah, you're betting $1.
Yeah, but if you get a multiplier or a queen, I mean, a queen is
Come on, get it.
damn, I keep getting 2, dude. If I get 3 or retrigger, then it's 15 more.
That's 7 bucks.
38.
That's not bad for a $1 bet. You're at $35.
Man, I could have got like fucking 800, 900 bucks.
Off $1?
Yeah, on this game. But I didn't get no hits. It's only what?
45 bucks?
45 bucks. So I'm halfway to what I put in there.
How much you have in there?
50. Try to get the game.
Hey, I hit nice on Dragon Riches right now.
Legit. Holy crap, how much you put in there?
I was betting, how was I betting? I was betting nickel denom. I think I was betting like 250 a spin. And then I kicked up to 375. And I put in $149.
Oh, the ticket?
Yeah, I put 149 ticket, I put it in there. It went down to 100. I hit a $50 line hit. It brought me back, and then I kicked it up to 625. First spin on 625, we hit the free games.
No way.
And then I got 4 wild rolls twice. But the first time it hit, I got the 2 shittiest symbol and 1 good symbol, and that paid like $400. And then on the last spin, I got it again, but I had another what do you call it? A bonus game symbol, so it blocked, and I had the 2 worst symbols, 9 and 10, and that only paid $100. So still good. I'm up 623. It makes up for the fucking Rampart.
The Rampart. See, there you go. You got some money back.
Goddamn shithole. What did I lose there? Like $300-400 bucks?
Yeah, like $400.
Yeah,
bro.
fuck. Forget it. Terrible. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I was like, get the hell out of here. So I got my money back plus some.
There you go. That's how you do it. I got my money back here too, but I shouldn't have lost it all in the first place.
All right, they all left to Cosmo.
Back to Cosmo?
Yeah, they're back to Cosmo.
What do you want to do?
Whatever you want, you tell me. I'm waiting for you to hit another bonus.
That's what I'm trying to do here. Because these come far and few in between.
All right, if he hits another bonus, we'll be back. All right, we're at Ultimate Fire Link. We have $5 worth of free play, and we put $101 in here, and we're gonna do $4 a spin. Live play. Yeah, is that another 20? Is it? Yeah, shit. 40 free games. I was like, no way it's gonna retrigger. We already got 20 games. Woo-wee. Come on, drop those lanterns. That's 10 bucks. We're up to 266. Come on, baby. We got a full line of lanterns. Damn it. Alright. Nothing. They give you all these spins, but half of them are dead. More than half. We've got one good line hit. Everything else has been dead or crap. Too late. Come on. That's $9. Go, more. Damn you. All right, that's 15. 10 spins left. $3. We're up to $2.93. All right, 35 for that one. Just give me like 5 of them in a row. There's 6 spins left. Come on. Go, go, go. That's $30. No more. Ah, he blocked us. $9. Damn it. We got blocked. Oh. More, more. That's a times 8 for $8. We got 3 spins left. Come on, more. Oh, Retrigger. Oh, I thought we hit it. I thought we hit it. Last spin. $3. All right, $379. Thank you, thank you. That was great. Thanks, mystery. 449. We'll play it on to 400. Let's see. See if we can hit a bonus. Let's go $2 and $6. 444. Ooh, a mini looks nice. Let's go 6. Oh, could have been better. Only 450 there. Ah, it's like 2 more would have been nice. All right, that's it. Cashing out 401. Nice $300 profit. There we go. All right, we're at Wonder 4 Boost. Put $100 in. We're betting $4.95 a spin. One of each of those games, and we hit the bonus on Buffalo. Let's get it. Oh, sunset times. $1.80. Need 3 sunsets right down the middle. One time. Ah, where's that damn sunset? Alright, that was trash. 660, wow.